Welcome back to Garage Mods and Builds. Real short, sweet. No video last week. I had no content, but just to explain to y'all, we still haven't fixed this as yet. We're leaking from down here somewhere. Then, coolant wise, I gotta get another hose for on the hair. Distributor, this one is not doing what it's supposed to do, so I gotta replace that. Just realized today, somehow my brake reservoir cap was broken and it was empty. I don't know if it evaporated or it leaked. I haven't gone on the car. Was looking for this for like 3 weeks, only realized it's on the turbo. And yeah, it's pretty much. Other than that, I've been stuck doing yard work. It's dark, or else I would take you and show you, but it's just I'm trying to get it done before it gets hot. Then I can come spend my time in the garage. But she's still here. G35 wise, speedometer still needs to be sent to Atlanta. I might have my sister take it back up with her and get it to them. She's like an hour away from the shop that's doing it. And I can be hitting that every day versus driving good old Sylvia over there. But I just wanted to, I didn't give you guys a video last week. Figured I'd come out and let you know what's going on. This hood, still got to work on it fiberglass wise. So I'm gonna get on that eventually. But yeah, this is where we're at. Hopefully I can get the motivation and yeah, income will free up a little bit so I can get on this. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all next video.